How to fix YouTube lagging on PC. So if you want to fix the YouTube lagging on PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Once you choose a browser, you can simply open up your YouTube. You can go for youtube.com and open up your YouTube and go for the upper right side, which has that three dots icon, and here you may have extensions option. Go for extensions and then go for manage extensions, and under your extensions make sure that you have not turned on the ad block or any other useless extensions. So you need to simply turn that off. So if you have turned on your extensions, you need to simply turn that off by simply turning that off. And once you've turned off your extensions, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your YouTube lagging on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.